welcome to another episode of Charlie Explains. Today we're going to talk about door locks, and in order to do it, I invited my friend, the Door, to tell us all about his locks. So pay attention, and thank you for watching.
Have you ever wondered why doors lock the way they do? This little thing on me is called a lock. It helps decide who can come in. When the right key goes in, click, I can open, no key, I stay shut. Some locks use keys. Some use numbers. Some even use your fingerprint. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Click.